Yes, my people, it's match day 2 in the Betway Premiership. The defending champs, Orlando Pirates, are facing Amazulu. We are traveling all the way to KZN, Kings Park Stadium. That's where we'll be tonight at 7:30. So let's discuss a couple of talking points ahead of this fixture, right? But before we get there, it's worth noting that the Pirates are going to be playing with their away strip for the very first time this season. The beautiful white and gold kits. It's probably the worst time to play with the white strip, considering that it's been raining all over the country throughout the week. But anyways, we've had a good run against Amazulu in the last couple of seasons. Last season alone, we won both home and away. We collected 6 points from them. They didn't even score a single goal against us. So on paper, the odds are heavily leaning on the Orlando Pirates, right? This is actually the third team from KZN that we are playing. We played Milford, we beat them. We played Durban City, we knocked them out of the MTN 8. So we don't normally have problems when it comes to facing teams from that side. However, we do have a lot of injury concerns. Usibisi, our captain, he went off limping in the game against Durban City, right? Didn't return for the second half, I think. But he was training on the grass. He was training with the rest of the team. So if fit and available, he needs to start. We do need that experience because Uzulu came in to replace him against Durban City. And he was a bit shaky, man. He's a good player, but we still need that experience. The biggest blow definitely has to be in the midfield. I've been hearing reports that Talent Mbata could miss this game, and not just this game, but could be out for a substantial period of time because he still has that knee injury problem. I'm not sure if he underwent surgery last season. I don't know how these procedures go about, but this seems to be a reoccurring injury from Talent Mbata, right? He's a big blow because without him, the whole dimension of the Orlando Pirates, it shifts, man. Suddenly we play completely different. We were without him last season in the beginning phases and we suffered. So that's a major concern, right? And in the front, Evidence Makgopa, actually all the players that went to the World Cup seem to be having injury issues, right? To Evidence Makgopa, now he will be sidelined for 2 months. He featured somewhat during preseason. Maybe you're still nursing an injury he got from the World Cup. I do not know. But yeah, hopefully Apolis he remains fit because if we lose him as well, we might have a bad start to the season. Yile Usain Bolt football, let's limazeli players, man. But anyways, in the absence of Makgopa, this is a perfect opportunity for Pedersen to get some substantial game time because definitely he's benching Umbutum. I don't know how long he's had to train with us leading up to this game. I don't know if he'll be fit enough to even be in the bench, but I do want to see him. As early as tonight, we just want to get the feel of what type of a player he is and how well he fares in the Betway Premiership. But yeah, exciting things to look forward to. It's Amazulu hosting the defending champs Orlando Pirates at Kings Park Stadium. Kickoff time is 7:30, rather. And like I always say, we'll be there.